So let us now learn about electric potential energy. Explain what is meant by the term electric potential energy. Also obtain its mathematical expressions. So electric potential energy of a system of charges is the work that has been done in bringing those charges from infinity to near each other to form the system. We know that to bring a group of charges together, some work has to be done. The total work done to form a system of charges is known as the potential energy of that system. To derive the relation, let us see a small system, simple system AB with two charges Q1 and Q2. Electric potential at B due to charge Q1. This is Q1. There is a potential at B, at the point B, due to this charge Q1. What is the magnitude of the potential? As per our formula, V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1. Q1 is the charge divided by R. R is the distance of point B from the charge Q1. We also know that work done is equal to charge into potential, because work done by charge is equal to potential. So if you cross multiply, work done is equal to charge into potential. So this charge Q2, which was brought to B, was brought from infinity and some work was done. So that work will be equal to the magnitude of the charge, means Q2. We are now talking about the charge Q2, which is at B, which was brought from infinity. So what was the work done in bringing the charge? It will be equal to Q2, that is the magnitude of the charge, into the potential. So what is the potential at B? This. So we just put the value and we obtain this expression. Now this is the work done and this is the potential energy. Symbol for potential energy U. So potential energy of this system of two charges. There are a few things which we have to note. Number one, if two charges are of the same sign, plus plus, minus minus, then work is done against the force of repulsion because they will repel. So electric potential energy will increase. If you want to separate them, they are already repelling each other. If you want to separate them, so work will be obtained. So potential energy will decrease. If the charges are of opposite sign, they are attracting each other. So in bringing them closer, if you want to bring them nearer, potential energy will decrease. And if you want to take them farther away from each other, then in that case potential energy will increase. Second point, if there are more than two charges in a system, then what is the potential energy? It is calculated for each pair. So just each pair of charge, how they interact, it is calculated, and then everything is added algebraically. We consider the charges with their proper sign. Means if it is a positive charge, we will do the addition with plus. If it is minus, we will take it as minus. So we will not alter the signs. Let us see an example of this. So say there are three charges. Q1, that is plus Q1, minus Q2 and Q3, and this is the system at the corners of a triangle. So what are the interactions? Q1, Q3, Q2, Q3 and Q1, Q2. Q2 with the minus sign. So just add. So what will be the potential energy? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught common, and inside the bracket Q1, Q2 minus Q2, R12. What is the separation between Q1 and Q2? We take it as R12, so that separation. Q2, Q3, so R23, and Q1, Q3, R13. So this is what is meant by the last statement. If there are more than two charges, then potential energy is calculated for each pair and all energies so obtained are added algebraically.